Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for Netflix. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate directly to the Netflix website. You will want to locate the large Get Started button or a similar prompt, which is usually displayed prominently on the home page. Click on this button to begin the registration process immediately, moving you to the next essential step. Next, you will be presented with various subscription plans. Each plan offers different benefits, like the number of simultaneous screens you can use and the video quality, ranging from standard definition to ultra-high definition. Carefully review these options, considering your household's viewing habits and budget before making your final selection. This choice directly impacts your streaming experience. Once you have chosen your ideal plan, the next step involves creating your account. You will need to enter a valid email address, which will serve as your account username, and then create a secure password. Remember to choose a strong, unique password to protect your information. After entering these details, you will usually click Continue to proceed. Now it is time to add your payment information. You will be prompted to enter your credit or debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit security code. Alternatively, you might have the option to use PayPal or a Netflix gift card. Ensure all details are entered accurately for a smooth, uninterrupted subscription service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.